Welcome back to the boat tour. So today we are back here in the Gulfcraft factory looking at the new Majesty 65, which is a replacement for the very popular Majesty 62. Let's have a look inside, look at the new redesign, under 20 meters in length, with the owner in mind to self-helm the boat or even still have the crew with the crew accommodation downstairs. So let's come on, have a look. Let us know what you think in the comments, any questions, or if you want to come see the boat, then let us know. So let's start. We've got a full length bathing platform, hydraulic here, comes down, you can have your tender, you can have your jet skis, or you can use it for your swimming. We've got this new addition of the bench here, and you can see the full-size door into the crew accommodation. Coming further up, we've got the stairs, full teak deck, port and starboard with these gates. We've got the electric winches, and we've got the cleats for the mooring. Walking to the cockpit, we've got this foldable table, there's an extension here, comes across, makes it nice and easy to get in and out. Again, like I said, we've got access port and starboard here. Walkways, both sides, really wide with the handrails all the way up, and this really comfortable and safe stairs up to the Flybridge. But what we'll do now, we'll start in the accommodation, then we'll finish outside and show you the engine room at the end. So let's start. You can see here, we've got these sliding doors both sides. A little bit different to the 62. You probably noticed the 62, we've got a very nice bar here and a dinette table, which we also do here, but we've got a fitted sofa. Same galley this side, we've got the fridge freezer here, we've got the 4-burner hob, and we've got the cooker microwave there. Just storage underneath, and the stainless steel sink. Coming down into the saloon, still got this amazing space, great headroom, these fitted sofas here, and then we've got the telescopic TV that comes out. Amazing views, 360 with these large windows with the blackout blinds, and as always here at GCC we've got the Gulfcraft spec air conditioning, so it's really nice inside. Walking forward, you can see here the helm station. We've got these 2 fixed seats with the bolsters, so you can either stand up or sit down if you're in a long passage. We've got full Garmin navigation equipment. We've got the hydro tabs here. We've got the engine controls as well. You can see here we've got all the tank controls. Second helm upstairs as well, we've got repeaters, so we'll show you there as well. And then we've gone these stairs straight down into the accommodation. So let's show you what they've changed from the 62, and we'll see the new style. Let's walk into the owner's cabin. So we've got a full beam master cabin with this island berth, huge bed. We've got a seat here on the port hand side and a dressing table on the starboard side, or a small desk if you want it. Flat screen TV with the sound bar, and we've got an amazing ensuite which we'll show you now. So we've got 3 more cabins at the front. This is a 4-cabin yacht. We've got the 2 guests here. You'll see you've got the twin singles this side and this side, and then we go further forward, we can see the heads that those 2 share with the walk-in shower, and then we've got this VIP cabin here, again with the island berth centre, with the storage port and starboard, these big windows that allow the light in, and this has its own ensuite as well. Coming back up from the accommodation, going back up these stairs, and we'll do the short trip up to the Flybridge and we'll show you the layout. So as I said, we've got these really nice, safe, sturdy stairs here with the down lighting that brings us up to the Flybridge. We've got a fixed cover with these inserted lights, and as you see on a lot of the new modern yachts, lots of space here, so you can either have your tender up here if you want to dav it, or you can have your jet ski, or what a lot of companies are doing now are removable furniture. So putting sunbeds, big sofas, and they can bring them on and off the boat depending on the event. We'll spin you around towards the bow. We can see the hot plate here. We've got the sink as well. Really nice layout. We've got the covers with the speakers. We've got this wooden table, very large, seating lots of people, and this big sunbed forward. As I said, downstairs we've also got the repeaters for the Garmin's up here, all of the engine controls, the VHF and the JL audio system. We'll finish, quick look at the bow, we'll take you down to the engine room and then we'll go there. Said here we've got these really wide and safe walkways. We've got the stainless steel here protecting the GRP, so when the rope is rubbing it doesn't go through. We've got the thick handrails here starboard and in port, and then we've got this U-shaped seating that allows for guests to relax. If you wanted to add a table you can do that as well, but here we haven't because we've got the sun pad just in front, and then below, very flush and safely, we've got the electric windlass for the anchor, but it's hidden, one for aesthetics and also second for safety. Let's go back, let's have a quick look at the crew accommodation and we're finished down in the engine room. So here we are coming down into the crew accommodation. We've got another galley down here, so completely separate to the owner's accommodation. Fridge, got a 2-burner hob, and then we'll spin you around and you can see the 2 berth here for the crew, captain and a deckhand with their own shower and ensuite. So let's finish here in the engine room. For a 65-foot yacht, it's really unheard of the amount of space that here. You can see I can nearly stand up straight. We're powered by the Volvo Penta D13 900 horsepower, so producing 900 horsepower each on the shaft engines. We're straight to the propeller, and then you can see all the equipment around. We've got the generators behind you, we've got the big batteries, the water tanks, the battery chargers as well. Everything you need, all the controls and all the systems, easy to service down here in the engine room. So that's the quick tour of this Majesty 65, brand new, now available for the new owner. It's turnkey. If you want to come have a look, let us know. Any questions you have, please leave in the comments below. Make sure you like, subscribe, and like the videos, and we'll see you next time.